recent years, artificial intelligence has become increasingly popular and is being used in a variety of applications. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is becoming more and more. ChatGPT is a type of AI users to interact with AI in a conversational manner. It is based on the GPT-3 full AI system developed by OpenAI. Now you can use ChatGPT to finish your work. And Newbie will give you how. You can go into extensions and then get add-ons. Search for GPT plus Google and install the plugin. Now the ChatGPT is installed. You can install the API key from the ChatGPT. The ChatGPT. After you install the ChatGPT, already use ChatGPT in the Google Docs application associated with your Google account.